So in the first video we explained what we intend to achieve here with like writing a ladder logic program, PLC program, to run this system. So now we're going to open the software, go to this version 2.3 and go File and New. And we will be asked to set target settings. So as in previous videos, I am going to use a Festo CPX CEC C1, and at this stage we don't need to worry about the other settings. I will leave the POU name as PLC_PRG. The type will be program and the language will be LD. The first thing that I will do is set the PLC configuration. So go to the fourth tab across, choose, double click on PLC configuration and add the I/O module. So right click on I/O module, pen supplement, find the 8 digital in, 8 digital out inputs. And in previous videos what I did was I expanded this area and clicked close to the @ and gave my input names in this area and my output names in this area, but I'm going to show you this time a slightly different way of doing it. And how we do that is we go to PLC configuration, into global variables, and in this area we add the variables we want. So the first one that I said I needed was the start button. So I'll add the variable name. Remember, the system doesn't make spaces, so I'm using underscores and tabbing across. And in this area I'm going to put the address. So at the address percentage IX 2.0 and finish that with a colon. And that's start button is the variable name, at percentage IX 2.0 is the address, and if I tab across again I will give it a variable style. So this will be a boolean, a style variable, and I finish that with a semicolon. Just to show you the address, at IX 2.0 means that start button, if I go back to PLC configuration, that start button will be addressed to this bit, which will be bit 0 on the PLC physical input. So back to global variables, I'll add the rest. Stop button, percentage IX 2.1, finish with the colon, and it is also a boolean style. I will also have a roller switch, A0, it will be addressed to IX 2.2. It's a boolean style, either on or off, and A1. At percentage IX 2.3. The outputs, there's no need to leave spaces, but I just find it easier to read if I put the spaces in. So I need solenoid A extend, and it will be addressed to percentage QX for the output, 0.0. Again finish with colon, and it will be a Boolean style as well. And the last one, a retract solenoid at percentage QX 0.1. Now, the QX 0.0, again, if we look at the PLC configuration, you'll want to check if you're using a different PLC what the actual bit address is. So you can see here QX 0.0, 0.1, and so on up to 0.7. So if we had more outputs, we would keep addressing further up. I also know that I need timers and counters, a tone style timer and a count up CTU counter, and they will be added in this global variables list as well. So come back to the next video and I'll show you how to add those.